Turmeric, the golden spice commonly used in cooking, has been celebrated for centuries in traditional medicine, particularly in Ayurveda. Its active compound, curcumin, is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and healing properties. When consumed daily with water, turmeric can offer a plethora of health benefits. Here are the top 9 reasons to start your day with a glass of turmeric water. 1. Powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Turmeric is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to many serious health conditions, including heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, can inhibit several molecules known to play major roles in inflammation, thereby helping to reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 2. Boosts immune system. A daily dose of turmeric water can enhance your immune system's efficiency. Curcumin has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, which can help fight off infections and support the immune system in protecting the body against pathogens. 3. Aids in digestion. Turmeric stimulates bile production in the gallbladder, which is essential for proper digestion and absorption of fats. Drinking turmeric water can alleviate symptoms of bloating, gas, and indigestion, promoting overall digestive health. 4. Promotes heart health. Curcumin improves the function of the endothelium, the lining of the blood vessels, which helps regulate blood pressure and prevent clotting. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties contribute to the reduction of risk factors associated with heart disease. 5. Enhances liver function. Turmeric supports liver function by boosting the production of essential enzymes that detoxify the blood in the liver. This detoxification process is crucial for breaking down and eliminating toxins from the body, thus enhancing overall health and well-being. 6. Supports joint health. The anti-inflammatory effects of curcumin can be particularly beneficial for people with arthritis. Regular consumption of turmeric water can help reduce joint pain and improve mobility, making it a natural remedy for arthritis symptoms. 7. Improves skin health. Turmeric's antioxidant properties can help fight free radicals that cause skin aging and damage. It can also reduce acne and blemishes due to its antibacterial properties, promoting clearer, healthier skin. Drinking turmeric water can thus enhance your skin's appearance from within. 8. Enhances brain function. Curcumin has been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier and improve brain function by increasing levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF. This can delay or even reverse brain-related diseases and age-related decreases in brain function, potentially enhancing memory and cognitive abilities. Conclusion: incorporating turmeric water into your daily routine is a simple yet effective way to harness the numerous health benefits of this powerful spice. From reducing inflammation and boosting immune function to enhancing skin health and supporting weight loss, turmeric water is a natural remedy with wide-ranging benefits. Start your day with a glass of turmeric water and experience the golden spice's transformative effects on your health.